Hi, this is Michael Kuzilny, barrister and solicitor, MK Law Sydney. I've been around the court system now since 1986. The first 10 years in the police force and then 26 years as a defence lawyer. And I always think my background in the police certainly helps. But look, recent winning court cases, there's a case 2 days ago at the Burwood Local Court. And this man was in a very, very serious sentencing territory. In fact, the police prosecutor wanted him to be jailed for 6 months. It was his 8th driving while suspended. He's 68 years of age and he's gone through a bit of a tough time over the last 2 years. Last time I represented him about 2 months ago, I said, do not come back. The magistrate gave him one final chance. He said, if you ever step in a car again whilst disqualified, you're going straight to jail. The magistrate gave him a fine, a licence loss, and put him on a corrections order. And then I got that phone call, Michael, I've done it again. I said, okay, we'd better get prepared. But quite often it's important to sit there for a while and read the bench. How's that magistrate feeling? What words are they using, you know? What are lawyers saying that upsets the bench? When I got up, I spoke from the heart. I said, look, the thrust of my respectful submission is not to jail this man. I said, besides this appalling driving record, he's got a good heart, you know. And I pointed out very systematically and all the positive things about my client. 2 days ago, Burwood Local Court, he'd only been to court 2 months beforehand on a corrections order and a stern warning is going to go to jail. Miracles happened, you know. When you speak from the heart and you present all the right evidence and there's no bullshit, it's authentic. The magistrate said, I'm going to give him a chance. Good behaviour bond, no breach of corrections order, and he will be back on the road very, very soon. And I said to him this time, this is your last time in court, my friend. I'm good, but I'm not that good. All the very best. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe to the channel. We've always got new content coming through. I'm going to start leaving some of these court cases because it's not just about saying, hey, we've got some great court cases. It's really my passion to help people go through the tough times, and it gives me great joy when people get great outcomes and can move on with their lives. All the very best.